All right, question number 2. What are some common problems associated with defining a color space? All right, so one of them is that color space is device dependent. So different devices will show different colors. Just to go back to what we were talking about here, for different devices, we're going to have different spectral emission values, and therefore, if you keep your RGB value constant and change up these ones here, you're going to end up with a different final SML value. And then maybe a little bit more intuitively, if you have a really great monitor and you have a really crappy monitor and you attempt to show the same like RGB value, say we're in RGB color space, they're gonna look different. And then another common problem is limited gamut. So there's a limited range of colors you can show. We talked about that in lecture, but essentially if you use 3 values to kind of parameterize all of the different colors that a human can see, a lot of these color spaces are going to leave out some of the colors, and that's just a limitation. And then another one is color reproduction. So if you solve the equations above to get the RGB color corresponding to a scene color, and you get negative color values, what does it mean and what should you do? So the equation above is this one here, and of course there's no like absolute value or anything guaranteeing that this final RGB is positive, but of course you can't display negative red on a display. So what do you do when you get negative values? That's not entirely clear.